Welcome back to Predis. Of course, you're vibing with Cosmar, Peter, and Paul. I hope they don't fly away yet, you know. Good. You know, alright? You know, good? Them just eat and not pay me no mind. Anyway, we have some brand new music video coming to you guys this week. And of course, we have the latest from Conscience. Here the ladies, they must scream. Lord of mercy, turn up your TV. Predis.
I been a hustler. All scraper, all paper chaser, left chatting for later. No time waster. Me no fi rise to the top like a vapor. No boy never touch me for money. Me never yet been. No follow people me ever said. When you see the sexy body girl, them we never left them. If you no like me no like you. Me no big friend, I summit and I summit and I summit and. Do me one a thing and me no follow back. A man a chew me chad my own apart. That's why me bossing no phone. Alright then, I saw me stay, I saw me stay, I saw me stay. Run up any bill and me no itch and me fi pay. I chew me chad my own a road. That's why the girl them a overload. Alright.
Now, have you ever bought a phone that you need unlocked or flashed? Well, don't worry about that, you know, because we have the tips right here coming straight from Chatterbox. Now remember, when you're in Jamaica, you know, and you want your phone repairs, or you want to buy accessories, check out Chatterbox store in Jamaica in Half a Tree. They're located somewhere else we find out, man. Now remember, you know, me and Lexi chilling. We have a fruiter. Can't feed Lexi? Sure? Only people can talk snake, you know. Lexi, you good?
Welcome to Chatterbox, where we keep you talking. This week we will be discussing unlocking and flashing of mobile phones. Unlocking is a process of removing SIM locks, restrictions and password from your phone. We have different methods of unlocking your phone. Phone can be unlocked by using a unique code for your handset, or it can be unlocked using specialized software or flashing. Why would we need to unlock our phone? Phones that are sent from abroad are normally locked to the subscriber overseas. In order to have it working on Digicel or Lime, you'll need to remove that restriction. At Chatterbox, we can do that for you. Flashing is the process of installing the operating system on your phone. There are a lot of reasons why we'd want to flash a phone. One, sometimes this is the method used for unlocking it. Secondly, sometimes your phone freezes and you need a fresh installation in order to remove glitches from your software. If you want to get your phone flashed or unlocked, please visit us at Chatterbox stores, conveniently located at Shop 17 York Plaza, Shop 4 at 56 Lyndhurst Road, Shop 19 Portmore Town Centre, Shop 7B Portmore Mall, where our experts will be happy to assist you.
Alright, so Daddy, what do you pre?
Yes, this is a Southern Stingray, same species I got Steve Irwin, and you can find these guys anywhere between New Jersey but down to Brazil. Now,
So this is the one who killed Steve Irwin?
same species, not the same one.
Afraid of this
Big
one?
cousin.
Cousin. Now, okay, guys, of course, you've been seeing the sights, you've been hearing the sounds at Dolphin Cove, and we just want you guys to get up to speed with what takes place here. Now, remember, when you're in Ocho, this is the place to visit. You can swim with the same thing, the same species, him say. What kills... What's his name again?
Steve Irwin.
Steve Irwin, that same man there. Yeah. Predis.
Josie Wales. Shaggy. Me and me brethren, them a sit down on the corner. Light up the fire and a boiled green banana. Later we have to go igloo out of Elsa. Make a little stop by me girlfriend Lana. Long time no see her, a long time me wanna. Players of the music now the side that I be my I feel like jamming to the reggae beat.
Dolphin Cove is a must. If you're coming to Jamaica or if you're a Jamaican, this is the #1 attraction in Jamaica right now. Actually, we're the #1 marine attraction in the Caribbean. As you can see, we're set in a beautiful tropical setting. You have the tropical jungle behind you. You have the beautiful blue Caribbean Sea. And as you can see, we're doing a touch program right now. We have a swim with program over there. The main program is called the Swim With, where you're in 17 feet of blue water, Caribbean Sea. You hold on to the dorsal fins of two bottlenose dolphins, and they pull you around the cove. the most thrilling and exciting part of the experience is called a foot push, where the dolphins, you're in the water with your life vest on, the dolphins will come behind you and put their noses to your feet and soar you through the water, 30 feet out the water, pose for the camera and hold on to everything, and you'll be laughing the whole way through it. For sure, the dolphins are very well trained. Our dolphins come from Mexico, they come from Cuba. A dolphin takes 1 year to train, and even though they're incredibly intelligent, and we all know that, but they are trained, yes. Luckily, we're the only place in Jamaica where you can swim with the dolphins, you can swim with the sharks, and you can swim with stingrays. There's nowhere else you can do that in Jamaica. Apart from that, though, we have a first-class facility, excellent service, and we provide not only dolphins, but as I said, we're a marine park. So once you're inside, you can do our mini boats. We have a jungle trail where you can interact with parrots, iguanas, snakes. We also have a great shark show where we have our trainers dress up like pirates and then give you a very informative educational show in regarding sharks, you know. So once you're inside, we also have stingrays. Sorry, we only have rays because we've taken the sting out of the ray. We have kayaking, we have a beautiful beach. We have the largest gift shops of any attraction. We have a coffee shop, rum shop, etc. You could spend the whole day here if you'd like.
What's your target market, really?
Well, of course, kids love what we offer. But you'd be amazed how many elderly come as well, because we have a touch program for people who can't swim. You're up to your knee on a platform in the water right there, and the dolphin swims across a few times, sing a couple Bob Marley tunes for you, splash you perhaps, and you get a dolphin kiss. So there's something for everybody, basically. Our opening days is every day of the year. We never close. And we also have an operation in Dolphin Cove, Negril, where it's the same thing. And we open at 8:30 and close at 5:30 every day.
Iggy, if you're running, me run too, you know. So don't run, don't move. So we're going to take our second commercial break. Don't go anywhere. We still have a lot more of pre-this right here. We still at Dolphin Cove now. Don't get it confused with the reptiles. We're so forward.